Hello, I hope everyone is doing great today. In this video, we are going to discuss about employee permissions. When one of the users of your Kickserv account is having troubles accessing a feature, it's possible that some of his or her permissions are blocked. As the admin of the account, you can edit this. So, to view and edit an employee's permissions, go to Settings, then Manage Users, and select the padlock icon next to the desired user. The screen displayed will allow you to give full permissions as if this user was an admin or customize the permissions. A technician with full admin mode will have the access to all the company settings. They could create, modify and delete everything they can see, such as customers, jobs, charge or time entries, but they would still be limited to only seeing customers and jobs assigned to them. For example, in here, this technician has the full permissions. We can unmark what we want, like this, and then update the permissions. Well, we've reached the end of the video. If you have doubts concerning this or any other topics, leave a comment and we'll get back to you. Give us a like and follow us on our social media to be up to date. Bye!